In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add assets in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your components, how to place them on the canvas, and how to tap into shared libraries so you can design faster and stay consistent. Start by opening your design in Figma. Make sure you are in the right file and on the correct page so you can see the canvas you want to work on. It helps to set your zoom level so you have a comfortable view of the area where you plan to drop assets. Now, look to the left sidebar. Next to the Layers panel, you'll find the Assets panel. This is your home base for reusable parts. It shows two main sources, local components and any libraries you've enabled. Local components are the building blocks created in this file, such as buttons, cards, or icons, all prepared to be reused. Libraries when turned on. Extend that list with components from other files, letting you work with standardized, shared assets across projects. To add something from the Assets panel to your design, simply click and drag a component onto the canvas. When you drop it, you are creating an instance of that component. Instances inherit updates from their main component, which keeps your design consistent as things evolve. Position your instance where you need it, and use the alignment guides that appear to snap it neatly into place. You can resize instances within the intended constraints and update allowed overrides like text or certain colors, depending on how the component was set up. If you are duplicating similar items, copy and paste or option drag the instance to speed things up while maintaining consistency. If you want components from other files, click the book icon in the Assets panel to open your library settings. Here, turn on the libraries you need. Once a library is enabled, its components appear right inside your Assets panel, organized for quick access. From there, the process is the same. Drag the component onto your canvas to create an instance. If you are not sure where something lives, use the search field at the top of the Assets panel to filter by name and find components faster. That's the workflow. Thanks for watching.